Took 2 weeks for it to arrive, but it's finally here. What's up, brother? How you doing?
Congratulations, bro.
Hey, what's going on, everyone? Josh here. Quick video just to share with you guys what I've been up to. I've been able to generate a full-time income using my smartphone. Yes, anyone can do this. Dummy-proof system that allows you to earn multiple $100 to $1,000 instant cash payments. I do it from my computer and smartphone. All right, I've been able to purchase this beautiful, okay, as you guys can see, GSF. A $90,000 vehicle, okay, without bugging friends or family. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys really quick how to do this. Okay, you're gonna need to do just a few things. You're gonna need to visit the link to get the information. All right, you're gonna need to put time aside to watch the video so you can understand exactly how this works. All right, we earn $100 to $1,000 instant cash payments in a program that has a system in place that can work for anyone. Okay, a lot of people want to know if it's real, if it can be done. Yes, it can be done. I was able to do this, and anyone can do this by just following simple instructions. Okay, so if you have a smartphone or a computer, you can earn $100 to $1,000 cash payments just before you guys go to it. If you don't have the $1,000 to get started, there's $500. If you don't have the $500 to get started, there's $250. If you don't have the $250 to get started, there is the $100. Okay, so anyone and everyone can get involved in this program. All right, so right now I need to, you guys hear that? I need to go ahead and get my day going, but I just want you guys to understand that yes, this is possible for anyone. $100 to $1,000 commissions. Okay, click on a link to get the full details. Okay, system in place to help you start earning today. I will see you guys on the inside.